welcome back on Top the Night Show. In case you don't join us, we discuss matter when they say concern one girl when mistakenly sent text which she wants send to her boyfriend, send down to her papa. The text message read say, baby, I am sorry. I am not going to remove another pregnancy for you. If I abort this pikin, it will be the number 10 abortion what I don't do for you. If now you be the papa and mama of this girl, when see this message, tell me the truth. What are you going to do? Our phone number.
The thing be say, Nedu, even if you mistakenly send this message to your papa, how you take save your daddy name for your phone, baby?
No, you see, what did me and feel say happen? No, what did me and feel say happen? And the feel say maybe she just talked to her papa finish before maybe the last dialed number na her papa.
You know.
And then
you won't just edit, just press the first one. You know, it's not the first one.
Exactly, no, it's not the first one because some phone once you don't type message finish, then go tell you say okay, you know go one type the number where you send down to. You go the filter you say okay, choose the where you want send them to recipient from log or or from phone book. You get now if you can't go log mistakenly go press.
Then send. You know say when that's
just like when you go just then a person could do his mistake, send your account number. You have like, sorry, you sent me your account number. What is it? Because, oh, sorry.
I don't mistakenly send text, give person. You get one thing I want buy that one time. I don't mistakenly write, okay, I'm going to, and this one catch me that time because this person be they beg me for money. The money where they beg for me.
You consider that text.
Wait now. The money where they beg me. I tell her say I not go fee give her the money because I want to use money take this one to that time. Meanwhile, the text were consent. I can't see the guy with me and they do business. I can't say, okay, what's going to say now 1.2, now 1.2. I go feel give up. I can't be taking
Hey, what they do?
I can't be taking it. Can't go send them.
You phone the
person. Can't give up my younger brother.
He can't phone you about
I said, now 1.2 happy. Anyway, in case you just join us, now what we discuss with that, make you call us for our phone numbers where they on Top of TV.
I bet Nerume we talk this thing about everybody when they outside the country where one they watch the show. Say una they see me and Neru and Isi, but una know they hear Wetin with the talk. Now to your school anywhere where you see Wazobia television app. No be app, then call them for app store.
For your app store.
Go the app. Go find that app. Whether they sell them for television, anywhere they sell them, which market, just go find that app. Then you go buy them or downgrade.
Download them, not free. It's supposed to be free. If na iPhone you they use, you go see them there. If na Android, you they use, you go see them for Android. If na the other one,
you go see them, you go use the talk say you go see them.
No, na for App Store. Where they download.
In other words, application store.
Application store where you go fit download Instagram. Twitter, all those things, just go there, you go see. And when you download them, if you they watch our show, if they watch Lost live, you go there hear everything clear. You're not gonna need to complain. Instead of you to be on top of computer, the drum, it go there hard for you. Anyway, in case you just join too, if you see this thing waiting for our front here, now Lagos Carnival gift and invitation card. We get 4
invitation card and 1 invitation card they invite 2 people. So if you come with your madam, your sir, your pekin, your grandmother, your daddy,
or your girlfriend,
your native
your
doctor,
side chick,
all and all, your
side
neighbor.
boyfriend. Anyway, Bimbo, good evening from Abuja.
Hello, Nedu.
How is you, my sister?
Fine, no.
Bimbo, I don't tell.
You don't tell. Now, no, they agree pick my call.
Now, devil walk.
I go try. And I know they agree pick my call.
Vex.
No vex. Bimbo, I beg. If now your daughter mistakenly send this text message, it says she don't come up belly for the 10 times. What are you going to do?
I go disown the picking instantly.
No,
you go do it.
Yes, I don't go let her near me ever.
But now you're picking now.
Which kind of picking? Why won't kill me?
You go ask some question.
Which question? That's when they thought they won't kill me because of my property.
So you could disown them.
Now God revealed that one to me. You know, you say they talk to the flesh and blood cannot reveal.
My sister, I know spirit.
Except the spirit of the Lord.
Yes, so I go disown that pikin instantly.
One time. If now only she UK that speaking come.
Oh.
Hey. I beg, I go disown the pikin.
You go still disown him?
Because one day, go still find a way to kill me.
Anyway,
thank you,
Bimbo, na your own you talk, so thank you very much.
Just for Twitter, say, if na me be the man, I no go talk. As she dey bring the food, na to force her chop the food. Simple. He say, besides, na judgment day for the girl, because Bible say, God go come like a thief in the night. He saying go just, people wicked, oh. He saying go just quiet. The girl go bring the food, come. Daddy, take your food. Say, thank you, my dear. May God bless you. As he's going, says, hey, come. Why don't you
Kemi, come. You see, Kemi, you know it's been long since we were small. We used to eat that time.
Together.
Yeah. Now, wash hand, let's eat. No, Daddy, wash hand, let's eat. Am I not your father? Wash hand, let's... No, Daddy, I don't eat inside the kitchen. Come on, wash hand there and eat. Daddy, eh? Oh! The mama go come say, Kemi, oh, they jẹun pẹ̀lú daddy ẹ kí ló mọ̀ ṣe o ó yá jẹun mommy ebi ò pa mí mo ti yó.
So wetin go then happen from there? Now so the man could maybe go that time
part
go
two, that time go say watch out for part 2. Anyway, as I've been dey talk before, this the invitation card na VIP invitation card for Lagos Carnival. We get 4 of this invitation card to give out. We go give out to our callers wey dey Lagos and our tweeters wey dey say dey Lagos as well. One card wey dey here so go invite, go admit 2 people. If you be boyfriend, we get 2 girlfriends. If you carry one, go.
This carnival na Saturday, or this tomorrow Saturday.
Tomorrow.
Saturday, meaning that after tomorrow is what? Saturday. So do your mathematics. May 9. They really like tell you a date. So this one na May 9 by 9 na 10 a.m.
9 in the morning now.
So you go just stay there by 9 so that
VIP, now this one be. So if you go fit, just follow us talk. We go choose the people that we say go win this thing, this invite. Anyway, Easy Beat, over to you for this matter. Me self, I don't even look the poison. Not be the poison me I dey look for this matter. I dey look the abortion.
Abortion.
I dey look the abortion. Because imagine say you get daughter. You see, I no go like giving. Wetin make plenty people dey fear to born girl child.
There's nothing what you fit do now. If you only girl you born, wetin you go do?
Nothing make plenty people dey fear to born girl pikin be that.
Come be like say they sell these things.
Imagine the girl don't do 1 abortion, he don't do 2, he don't do 3. This one na 10. You see, if
for one person,
which means na 9 abortions she don't do. If she do this one now, it go mean na the 10th time which she dey do the abortion. When make am come tell the guy, say if I do this one now, let me say na the 10th abortion why they do.
You know, even heavy and for mouth.
If na you be the papa of this girl, when she send this message to you, what do you
do? Go kill her.
No, I no go kill her. The funny thing is,
no, I no go kill her. I no go kill her.
Number one, I know say she dey under pressure. I know once.
What's that pressure?
I don't know.
Why they do? In under pressure?
It's not going to you don't want to let me talk.
Define your pressure.
Okay, now the pressure we say, what do they make children most times? They do so many of all these terrible things, and because they don't get close relationship with their parents, they know they fit tell them anything.
I know.
They don't fit tell them anything. So now at this thing they like this, I go call them. I'll kind of sit down. I go ask them why. You understand? Why you can't just decide say now to come off me or we will be your parents can be your better option? Because sometimes, let's say once you don't involve the kind of predicament like that, it's probably when family don't involve. You don't know what they do again. All waiting just do your mind be say make the boy they happy, make you they happy. So every other person.
Now we don't know what the boy they do.
No, but they don't. Waiting come be waiting be the boy work.
No, maybe that as easy be TikTok. If na be the papa, you go sit down with your wife.
Yeah.
The papa and the mama go sit down. No, but Kemi, make I use Bimbo. Be the last caller. Bimbo, make I use your name. Bimbo. Oh, the why? Look at your mommy. Your mommy did abortion 15 times for me.
Yeah.
He doesn't matter.
Che. Then he go say, dear, my dear. My dear.
But anyway,
it go say not true.
Now what we discuss, but on top Twitter, Peace Pious, he say, "Una good evening. If na me, I go carry her go church for deliverance, then take her to
go Reverend Sister school." But that should not be the answer now. You know, say some.
Born that thing. People they go Reverend Sister school. You see, I go for my school where I go.
You go Reverend Brothers?
No, I go Madonna University.
Okay.
Imagine
I go Madonna University.
Imagine they do for monastery.
No, hey, you not go walk. He not go walk. Me, I go see. I'm a very forget all this why they do. I be very religious somebody.
Yeah.
I'll be very.
So I'm not religious. Yes.
Nah, I'll be very. You why I know.
Hey.
You. You babafu.
Hey, no.
If if people they talk those way get seats for heaven, now we get front row seats for heaven.
Front row seats.
We don't get, me, I don't get my ticket. I don't get my key to my self-contained for heaven already. You understand? So I'm a very religious person. So forget whether they carry her go my sister Reverend Sister school or not. If you want to do wipe for Reverend Sister school, you go see they do what they do for Reverend Sister school.
Yeah.
Make I not talk, make it not be like say they paint some kind of people bad picture. You see this belle, you see as I talk, my own problem.
Yeah.
My problem na the part of say she get belle. Now, wetin go make pikin dey? Wetin go make young girl dey? Because if you check the age, make we dissect this thing very well. This girl say live in the papa and the mama.
Yeah.
Meaning say
So
she
na young girl.
Na young girl.
I mean, you know, like in her 20s.
Na young girl, she na 20s.
Early 20s.
She no go don reach bad as a bad like 22, 20.
Yes.
I'm not sure say she don't reach 26.
No.
Because most of the girls we don't date 26. They don't think of commuting for the papa house. Marriage go don't they date. Because girl, person will go one give you belly 10 times. He go like you and you go fine. For him to agree to give you belly 10 times. You understand? No, but not true.
No,
now.
that all the time. When you say you supposed to know.
Na dumbbell.
this thing make me remember how to happen for Kaduna when I live for that time for Gora Street for P5 for Gora Street.
Gora.
Gora. Name the name of our street that time.
Gora. Say Golda.
No, for Kakuri for Gora Street for Kaduna that time. You get because those of in case you don't know those people who know me that time. I grew up for face me and slap you. But that kind compound we will get Mama John, Mama Nkechi, Mama Nkiruka. That kind compound now I grew up. But money before we come out. Now, you get one guy, I know we call his name.
You still remember his name?
I remember his name. His name now. Hey!
Nejo!
Hey! That's how I know we call his name. Oh! I remember the guy. Now, if they follow, what make when they talk these G's? Me, I don't even care for the poisoning part of the girl with the one poison. Now, I did more concerned about the abortion where the girl go do for the 10th time. Meaning say you don't do 9 abortions. Now, not being as the man days are compound around 9:30, 10 o'clock. This man he go work finish. They work for Chanchangi.
No, why you go call the Nidu?
Sorry, now mistake.
Nidu, they no.
Sorry,
they not going to give you this kind of gist again because they will say
now mistake. See, I no go talk.
That's why you call it fe. The boy wherever he did, don't become famous.
I never call it fe.
Today, you never call him. Last week, Monday to Friday.
No be around 10:30. This girl come and the girl they work for beer parlor. She they serve for beer parlor. The girl come. Everybody inside compound. They inside their room. They sleep. Now begin to hear, hey, I not gonna do abortion for you again. No, if I do this one, I die. Kiro, I Kiro. The girl now from Abo. Kiro, Danny, Jewo, Kiro. I not gonna do abortion. Yeah. People why not even know say the wife. Everybody come and say compound. I care you must marry me. If I do abortion at the 7th time, I remember the story pure. She don't do 6 abortion. She don't do 6. If I do abortion at the 7th time, if it is, I care not they do. Now her son name now Okafo.
Okay.
I care son name too now Okafo.
Now lie.
Wait now. So caretaker can't call police. Police can't come. They can't carry them go. Police station. As I call it a police station, police can't say, okay, write statement, write your name. What is your name? She can't write her name, Okafo. You write your name, Ike Okafo. When I be husband and wife, I don't know they go house. Now so they go house. Then two now, they don't marry now. The last time I hear of them, they don't get 3 children. Last time I hear of them, they don't get 3 children. But basically, what be my own concern for this matter? Now the abortion. The rate at which young girls think they do abortion these days, it don't plenty.
Johnson say, Nedu, help me read this.
Johnson say, if not me be the father of that girl, I go tell her to invite the boy. So that all of us go eat the dinner together. Anyway, make we buy small chicken break for you, make we go market. When we come back, we'll continue it still on top of the night show. Will they come back?